Hey guys, quick video. If you have the Canon R8 and you're looking for a way how to reset it, so what you need to do is you just simply need to go to settings, and when you're going to be in settings, there you're going to find this symbol right here. And when you're going to have this symbol, then you're going to find here like reset camera. And it's going to be like 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 tab there. And I got like similar menu here. So you're just going to locate the reset camera right there, each of those, and you can find it. Now, what I've read here is that some people said is that they couldn't like find the reset button, like for example here. So you need to switch off the auto switch to manual, and it will enable you full menus. So if you can't find it, you need to switch it to manual, not on auto or any other things. So just want to make this quick video for you. Hope it was helpful and beneficial, and have a great day and goodbye.